So now, tell me about your crush.
It's just Jaden. And when we changed seats, Jaden became more closer. He's at table 1 but at the back and pretty far and a little bit far from me.
Oh, why is he your crush?
I kind of like how he acts now and how he looks. Are you videoing me?
No.
Well, then why is your phone pointing at me?
Hindi.
Let me see.
Kanina pa yan. Hindi mo napansin. Nagdadeba ka. Nagdadeba ka. Huwag mo akong guluhin. Huwag mo akong guluhin. Nagdadeba ka. So, ay, nagdadeba ka. Huwag mo akong guluhin nga. Kulit eh. So, kailangan mo na-realize na crush mo sa Jaden. Hoy, sige na nga. Hoy, bilis. Sagutin mo na ako.
Okay. Wait, what are you asking?
Kailan mo na-realize na crush mo sa Jaden?
I think during February.
Bago lang talaga, no? February lang talaga, no?
But I don't know what day of February.
So bigla na lang siya, oy, I think I like him. Something like that.
And in my mind.
Of course, in your mind lang. Does RC know na?
No, I didn't want to tell anyone.
Yeah, don't tell anyone. Yes.
And when I looked at him, when I started to look at him, I quickly turned. He looked at me, so I quickly turned.
Ay, nahiya ka?
What?
Nahiya ka?
What do you mean nahiya?
You got shy?
I think so.
Ay.
I didn't want Jaden to know immediately.
Of course. Do you know who his crush is?
He has no crush. Actually, I think there's now 5 people in the class who has a crush, including me.
Oh, ang dami naman. Sino pa?
Oh, I am the 5th one.
Okay, and then the others. Sino pa?
Nikki has a crush on Noah because yeah.
And then?
And RC has a crush on Kurt, and Juliana has a crush on Drake, and I'm starting to think of the last one. Oh right, Fiona has a crush on Bea.
Si Bea, hindi ko pa ata nakita, Labs. I can't remember any face ni Bea. Hindi siya nagpupunta sa mga birthday parties, no? Kasi nagpupunta sa birthday parties was only, Isabella, Mafriela, Eunice.
Yes, I haven't
Kaz,
seen her.
Drake, Mateo. Sino pa ba ang nagpupunta sa ano?
I'm thinking. I think you said it all. Wait, Skylar, too.
Nagpupunta ba sa birthday party si Skylar?
At school.
Hindi. Yung mga outside na birthday parties. Like yung birthday
Never
party
mind.
ni Martha. Yung birthday party ni Martha.
Yes.
Si Ezra. Ezra and Dane.
Dane? I don't remember Dane's birthday.
Hindi. Ma-attend lang as guest. You go to Dane's birthday kasi is always in Halloween time. Last year pa sila ng Japan eh.
Oh.
Now my question is ano na nga ba ang question ko? Nakalimutan ko tuloy. Wala lang ang tanong ko, Labs. Ano ba yan, Labs?
Labs.
Ay, that's rude. Agoy ka. Mommy will not like it.
Okay, sorry. I just wanted to copy.
Yeah. You do that with your friends, but not with an elder, okay?
Oh, okay. Now I get it. When did you know that?
Na? Ano? Wala bang ibang may crush kay Jaden?
Wala.
Oh, how did you know na walang ibang may crush kay Jaden?
I didn't like. No, I haven't. For like, Jada had a question. Anyone?
Hindi.
How many?
Yung iba, anyone na may crush kay Jaden.
No one.
Ano one?
No one. No one. Okay.
Okay. Tapos, paano mo nasabi? Did RC say na yung bestie niya ngayon was Martha?
Yes.
What did you feel about that?
Okay.